Hello, my friends. My name is Mayara. Let's talk about sound therapy. I use this method called Biofield tuning, and Biofield tuning is this sound healing modality that helps relieve mental, emotional, psychological, and physical stress. Who is not feeling some sort of stress these days, right? So we use tuning forks to help restore the balance in the electromagnetic system of the body. So the coherent frequency input that comes from the fork gently supports the body in recognizing and correcting its own vibrational imbalances. So the body listens to itself, how it's vibrating, and does the work itself. Our bodies are a very intelligent machine that knows how to heal itself. It only needs some input. So we bring this coherent input using the forks, the tuning forks. We use the unweighted one that produces a very pleasing sound that the body listens to, and it uses to balance its vibrational frequency. And we also use a unweighted fork that we place directly on the body. So we strike it and place it directly in certain areas of the body. We use the meridians, and it's very interesting. Like if we place it in the hand like this, when we're doing a meridian flush, you can feel it coming up your arm all the way. You feel it going to your heart. We place it on the heart as well, and you can feel how it expands with the vibration. And the breath is also a very important part of the whole process. We use a lot of breathing when we feel the need to allow this vibration to take place. We also have this other face on the fork that is very nice to pass through the body in any area. It can be like on your face, on your head. So the weighted one also, now that I said that, we can strike both of them at the same time and place it in certain areas of the body. It feels fantastic. You can definitely feel the vibration like all over your head and like in your brain. So it really relaxes and allows the body to use that frequency to adjust what needs to be adjusted. So it allows the body to balance its immune system, digestive system, nervous system, all the systems of the body, and also adjusting like a sleep cycle and increasing levels of energy throughout the day, even improving mood. Like a lot of people talk about this, how they feel much happier, after a few sessions, how they feel lighter. So as the biofield dissonance subsides, the clients generally report this kind of feeling, that they feel lighter, that they feel able to breathe more easily, the unblocked breathing, and a diminishment or resolution of the symptoms that they show up with in the first place. So it's very interesting how after a few sessions, they come back noticing shifts in their lives. And what is the most impressive to me that it's so needed in these days, it's the mental shifts. Like they were, depressed or anxious or whatever it is, and they come back saying that they feel a lot of relief after the sessions, that they feel more connected to themselves, this lightness that they feel. It's almost like the problems, the mental stuff that they were just like conditioned to keep thinking about kind of diminishes. So hypothetically, the field is like our personal cloud. It's this massive space around us where we hold on to our memories and beliefs, like every accident, injury, experiences, everything pretty much that has ever happened to us is stored in these standing waves around our bodies, which we call the biofield. And so we experience reality through those filters, through the filter of the field around our bodies. So we all have our own experiences in our lives and our own field holding on to different types of memories. Hence, the way we see the same reality in different ways. We have different perspectives in how we perceive reality. So as we go through the days of our lives, we have experiences, and it generates corresponding waveforms that associate with those experiences, and it propagates off the body. So traumatic and stressful experiences may generate incoherent and chaotic waveforms. And so this wave-based medicine allows the body's nervous system to move away from sympathetic, the fight or flight response to a more relaxed and into the parasympathetic rest and digest response. So we can think more clearly, we can think slowly and more grounded and more supported, like connected to the earth and to the sun, to the elements. So this way of using sound is a medicinal way of using sound that releases the stored energies that don't serve us anymore, allowing us more self-awareness, more self-connection. What's interesting is that the more people do the sessions, it's kind of like peeling out layers of an onion. And after some time, you start noticing that you don't get so angry anymore, that things that used to trigger you, they still happen. And it's like, it doesn't affect you at all. You notice that people that used to trigger you just by being around you, could start feeling like anxious or pissed off. Some people just, we say some people just piss me off. And then after doing some sessions like this, you notice that your system starts getting more in alignment with yourself, with the truth of who you are, that there's no need really to get stressed out, at other people and, with the behavior of other people. It's like they will be who they will be. And you can interact with them getting pissed off or just chill and just allow them to be who they are. So we noticed that one of the things that people talk about this method also is that after they start doing sessions, they notice that things don't bug them anymore as much, that people are who they are and things kind of like continue being how they are around them, but they look at those things completely different. And then they start noticing that naturally things kind of like start falling into place. People that don't really do them any good anymore, doesn't serve them any good anymore, kind of naturally start moving away. So one of my favorite things about this method is this: it's how everything is very natural, how everything happens naturally. The people that we need to release, the situations that we need to release, the relationships that we need to release in our lives, it doesn't happen with like so much pain as we think it would when we are in a situation that we know we need to get out of, and that kind of situation. All those things happen very naturally. And so I appreciate this process because of this specific method, because of this. So I hope that was helpful for you to understand a little bit more on how sound therapy works, how we use sound and vibration, sound waves to allow the body to do its own healing, because it's pretty much it. It's the body doing its own healing, just using the input of the sound waves and the vibration. And if you have any questions or anything, don't hesitate to reach out, leave a comment, let me know. What would you like to know, any questions, or if you'd like to experiment with the method, I would love to share with you. And thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.